What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to be working on the Audi S3 and we're going to be making it a little louder in today's video. Here I have the test pipe that's going to be going on my Audi S3. What this is going to be doing is replacing the secondary cat in my exhaust system. So I don't want to make the car super loud, but I do need a little more tone. And I didn't want to go with the catback because I don't want the car to have too much drone. So I feel like taking out the secondary cat and replacing it with this test pipe is going to give the car the perfect sound that I've been looking for. Alright guys, so we're going to be removing the secondary cat, which is right here. It's only two 15mm clamps that need to come off, and then I can install the test pipe in its place. It'll make the car a little bit louder, and it'll produce more pops and bangs, which I'm actually going to be taking out of my tune soon because I'm kind of tired of them. And also, at the same time, it's going to allow for better DSG farts. So I'm just going to use my impact to break this loose. One. Let me see if I could get the second one. I might have to do this one by hand because of the angle. Yeah. Wow, this thing is really tight on there, Jesus. But it's coming out. Alright guys, so here is the secondary cat. Now it's out of the car, and we have the new test pipe. Now the good thing about this is it's very easy to go back and forth between setups. So if I really don't like the way the car sounds with the test pipe, I can always throw the secondary cat back in very easily. It takes about 5 minutes. So now we're going to put the test pipe back in the car. Alright guys, so we're putting the test pipe back in the car, placing the secondary, and making sure that this is all good to go, so it's nice and tight. Okay, so we got the test pipe in the car, so now we're going to start working on the back clamp right here. Alright guys, so now we're working on the back section. I already got the resonator delete back on. Now I'm just connecting the test pipe to that resonator delete. And I'm going to tighten it all up. That's good. So the test pipe is in, so we're going to start the car up now and see what the car sounds like, see if it's a little louder. The car hasn't been turned on in a couple hours, so it should be a decent cold start. So we have the new test pipe in the car. It looks really nice, so let's see how it sounds. footage, guys, as well as having the GoPro on the back of the car. And so far, the in-cabin noise for the test pipe that was put in is not really making a huge difference on the inside. But the one thing that I do notice is that the shifts, when I'm shifting, they're more pronounced. They sound a little bit louder, but the actual overall noise inside of the car isn't much different than it was before, which, to be honest, I'm happy about, because I didn't want the car to be any louder on the inside, which for me, it's a plus. I'll give it a nice, decent... I mean, it sounds pretty good, honestly. I really like the tone. It's not overbearing, it's not annoying. It still pops and bangs on my tune. I'm gonna be taking that off once my setup changes soon in the future. Let's see. The car feels good though. That's going to conclude the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The car definitely sounds really good in my opinion. I think this is going to be my final exhaust setup. I say this now, but watch, in a year I'm going to do like an actual catback exhaust or something like that. But anyways, so the drone isn't much crazier because there really wasn't any to begin with. A little here and there depending on the highway speed that you're going, but nothing brutal. And I'm not going to complain about it. That's what happens when you get an exhaust. So it's very minimal. It's not annoying, I promise, if you want to do a similar setup. The DSG farts are a lot louder. The car sounds much better. It's not too much louder from the outside, just a little bit, and that's exactly what I wanted. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.